My name is Phil Jones and we farm here at Fferm, Carmarthenshire. So cost-wise, our herd was performing at its worst point, something like 85, 86 calves we weaned out of every 100 cows to the bull, which wasn't too clever. So once we sorted BVD out, we gained a further 7 calves straight away. So we jumped up to 92, 93. So quick maths, we gained 7, or we weaned 7 more calves each year. With a quick sum of 700 quid comes to something like £5,000 a year. On top of that, the other 100 calves have been reared or are weaned at a heavier weight. They're thriving. So that again has added another 20 quid a head. So we can round it up. I'm about £7,000 a year better off. And to be honest with you, between the tag and test and the vaccine, comes to about £5 a breeding cow a year, so it's definitely a no-brainer. So £7,000 a year, 10 years, I'm £70,000 better off straight away. That's quick maths, I know, but it's a big wake-up call.